Easily handle inventory management with WorkMax Assets, a cloud-based app that lets you track company tools and equipment from anywhere. With WorkMax Assets, you can check in, check out, and allocate resources to locations, employees, and projects. Since your data is stored in a central location, anyone on your team can access, view, and delegate assets while keeping the rest of the crew up to date with the changes. WorkMax keeps your asset database current by bookmarking transfers and reassignments. If you have equipment in the field and on the move, your team can use their mobile device to verify asset usage that coincides with project billing. And using WorkMax Assets helps extend the life of your tools by allowing you to implement a regular maintenance schedule for each asset. Monitoring tool life, equipment maintenance, and asset ROI has never been easier. Accurately track your inventory with WorkMax Assets today.